Hi everybody, welcome back to the exercise of the week. Dr. Pascal with Dr. Dan here, and today we want to show you guys how to use a mobility ball or a lacrosse ball to help with tight areas, pain areas while you're at home, okay? So first things first, this is actually something Dr. Dan has been doing recently for the shoulder. So you take the ball, you put it behind the painful area, okay? And what you're trying to do is roll it around. So you're trying to create motion back and forth over those painful areas to help relax those tissues. So even though it's a little bit achy, maybe a little painful while you're doing it, it should feel better as you're self-massaging that area, okay? And you want to do it for, we'll say 2 to 3 minutes, up to about 5 minutes. It doesn't need to be any longer than that. So you can do it in the shoulder. Dr. Dan moved it up. You could also do it in the upper traps, like when someone is getting some of that lower neck pain or upper shoulder pain. It works very well. Alternately, you could do it on the low back. So if you have a mobility ball, it works a little bit better. You can dig it into the lumbar muscles or even into the glute muscles if someone's having sciatica type issues, right? So if Dr. Dan wants to turn that way, I can just show, whoops. So with the ball at first, he was hitting the shoulder. It's back here on the shoulder. Then it was up in the neck here, low back along the muscles on the side, or down into the glute, right deep in the muscle there. So hopefully that helps. Give it a shot at home, and we'll see you next time on the exercise of the week.